show you where you can find help within your N2Y solutions. So you'll see right here, we're on our homepage. After you've logged into n2y.com, you see up in the upper right-hand corner, we have our notification bell. I have 2 notifications that I have not looked at. If I go ahead and toggle down in there, it will give me some really helpful information about training videos that might be coming or any webinars that are on the horizon. But what I wanted to show you is if you select right here on your email address, a drop down will come, you'll select help and support, and that is going to take you over to our knowledge base. The knowledge base is an amazing place to go to for anything and everything N2Y related. We scroll down here, you'll see there's various icons you can select relating to any of our solutions, also for remote learning, parents and caregivers. If we select into any of them, I'll select Unique Learning System. It's going to pull up a variety of articles, getting started with Unique Learning System, the teacher dashboard. One thing that's really nice is if I head back to my main page, I can type in any sort of keyword. If I type in student plan, it's going to pull up a variety of articles for me to choose from. How do I add student plans? Can I edit the student plan of a student that has been shared with me? So I can keep scrolling down. A lot of these articles, once you do select into them, will have additional images for you or sometimes a short video for you to look at to help walk you through that process. Another area where you can find help is this help button down in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. This is our chat bot. It's available all day, every day. Again, you can type in a keyword. If I type in student plan here, it is going to pull up a variety of articles that I can then navigate through right here through the chat bot. So I can select it and it's going to pull up that article. And then the last place that I wanted to show you where you can get help and support if you need it is right down here in our professional learning tab. Everybody has access to free training videos through our professional learning tab. It is called our Foundations course. If I select into that, I'm going to search here. I'm going to type in Foundations. And it's going to pull up right here my Foundations Learning Pathway. If I select into that, it's going to give me a variety of videos for me to review with getting started. Again, this is a free resource that is available for everyone. And it definitely will help get you up and running with any questions you may have regarding N2Y solutions.